I cannot imagine the researcher of this 18th century coming now and see what our society developed because of this measurement who are unified and used by everybody.
Thanks to the metric system, science, trade and innovation found an universal language, one that speaks in meters, kilograms or seconds, making global collaboration seamless. From building rockets to measuring medicine, the metric system unites us in accuracy and precision. It's not just a system of measurement, it's a system of progress, because when we all measure the same way, we move forward together.
Imagine that all the country, or practically all the country, even they are not in the Metre Convention, they use this metric system. And more than that, it's also a decimal system. What this means is that they can use it for example, for the meter, for the nanometer to 1,000 of kilometers, and also for our daily life to go from one place to another one for some kilometers. So that means that this is used for scientific purpose, for industrial purpose, for societal purpose, for your medicine that you will take every day in pharmacopoeia, or for to fulfill your gasoline in the car, etc., etc.
Such a system supports transnational manufacture. It guarantees the equity and efficiency of global trade. It facilitates scientific collaboration. It enables, underpins, and drives globalization, which all of us is benefiting. Responding to the evolving needs of metrology needs more global collaborations than ever before.
The SI underpins international trade and commerce, underpins legal metrology. It provides the basis for product testing, health and safety, accreditation system. It's been a great joy and a great pleasure for me to have been associated with metrology, to be a metrologist.